Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. A quick thank you to everyone that got involved with last week's competition for Lock Pro. Whilst this video is being premiered over on Instagram, I'll be announcing the winners. Right now we've got that out of the way, I want to share with you a couple of clips from one of my favourite police shows on TV, Police Interceptors.
He stood at the gate with a kitchen knife saying he's going to stab police.
Crime is on the rise.
Armed with an axe and a machete.
Trying to break into two separate houses.
But cometh the hour.
More unit, more unit.
Cometh the Interceptors.
Get on the floor! Out and running, out and running.
We're riding with West Yorkshire's elite. Alongside their pursuit drivers.
Contact, standby.
On target with their firearms unit. In the air with their eye in the sky.
Off and running, off and running.
This is the front line in the fight against crime.
Get on the floor! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
This is Police Interceptors.
It's just another day in paradise.
Coming up. Suspected bike thieves come a cropper.
Ready. Go!
A cheeky ciggy sparks trouble.
Put that out! Alright, boss.
And
It's really easy. Get out.
a pain in the neck for Nick and Claire.
Ah, right. You've got a problem.
Across the UK, motorcycle crime is rampant.
What the hell are you doing?
With £3 million worth of two-wheelers swiped every month. But since cops in London were given new powers
Still two up, no helmet.
to chase runaway riders without helmets and use tactical contact to end a pursuit,
Coming towards you now, on your left.
bike theft in the capital has dropped by 50%.
Get out!
Now West Yorkshire Police are following suit.
Yeah. You can answer some questions, Cocker.
Without discussing tactics about what we do with them. It follows the same principle of pursuing a car. You've got to weigh up who's on it, what you know about them, is it being used in crime. The only thing is a motorcycle is a lot more nimble, can go places that a car can't go. There are different tactics for them, and hopefully it's getting out there that we will pursue motorbikes.
It's a Wednesday afternoon, and rookie Joe Waring is getting a crime-busting masterclass from veteran interceptor Nick Good.
Joe's a new recruit, so we're just showing him ropes. So we'll be looking various different traffic offences if we can, all right? Also, we'll be looking, potentially if there's any motors that have been stolen overnight, it's a good time for things to move. Yeah, so it may pop up and then we'll go for it. All right, happy with that?
Absolutely.
Lovely.
Midland Road. Stolen bike.
So we've got a stolen bike here, down on Midland Road.
A motorbike reported stolen has been seen less than a mile away.
It appears to be an off-road motorbike with an unknown driver on at the moment. Failed to stop for police.
One unit's already in pursuit,
Yes, motorbike, speed 70.
and the chopper's all over the runaway riders.
We've currently got a job running.
The lad's putting the bike through its paces, throwing it around on the road, and ramming home its advantage off it.
Springfield Crescent.
But this guy's no Valentino Rossi. And interceptors are quickly within range. As they hang a sharp left, only the quick thinking of an interceptor averts disaster. But can they avoid Nick and Joe, who are just up ahead?
Coming towards us there.
After his close shave, Nick's got the bit between his teeth.
Yeah, he's gone. Right. Orchard Grove.
The runaway riders head into a busy residential area, but what they don't know is that police have set a trap. With the road blocked, they plough through a hedge, and both riders go flying.
Hang on. I dumped it.
But they're up on their feet and away on their toes. But Nick and Joe are closing in.
Get ready to jump out.
Yep.
The heli keeps tabs on the driver. On your marks. Get set.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Rookie Joe is out the traps. Can he catch his man?
Just currently got a job running.
Interceptors have been in hot pursuit of a stolen motorbike. When the two suspects have nowhere to go, they ditch the bike and scarp.
Ready? Go.
Rookie Interceptor Joe is hot on the heels of the driver, who opts for the spectacular. He launches himself over a 5-foot fence without clocking the 10-foot drop the other side. Over the road, not so Evel Knievel isn't such a daredevil.
Yeah, they've got one. They've got one detained in back garden.
With one in cuffs, it's left to Rookie Joe to nick the fence jumper. But he can't find him.
Police officers, stop. Stop. Jump over the fence, he's just over there.
X-ray Romeo 17, one detained where I am.
The lad's not moving.
Are there any units that can go around the other side? One male sustained injury jumping off a fence. It's a bit of a drop. There's quite a high fence. Come round this side, you'll be able to pick him up easy.
The suspect still isn't moving, so Joe slides down the fence to check he's okay.
What have you injured then, mate? What injuries have you got?
Meanwhile, back on the other side of the fence, Nick's found some items of interest.
So we've got balaclava and ski goggles.
West Yorkshire is hardly a winter sports hotspot. Veteran traffic cop Nick has been on the force for 17 years. In his spare time, he plays rugby league and is trained in first aid.
What's hurting, pal?
On the right eye.
All of your right side.
All of it. All of it.
Like what? Your leg, your foot, your hip?
Like all my leg, my ankle,
Right.
my hip, where my ribs are on the elbow, and now
Shoulder.
there, and my shoulders,
All just down that side?
all down there.
Did you look before you jumped?
No, I just jumped over the glass table next to me, Enjoy's the flying one.
Right, okay. He said that he's fallen to his right-hand side, so he can't feel anything on his right, which is a bit of a concern. So he's going to need looking at properly by paramedics. I'm just going to take a look at it now.
Yes, he's conscious and breathing. He's complaining of pain down his right-hand side, mainly in his elbow and his ribs.
Don't lean forward, just keep still for me, mate. Right, it's gonna hurt that, pal. Okay, alright, mate. So we've got quite a deep gash there on the back of your head, alright? Does your neck feel okay?
No.
It doesn't. You feeling any different to how you felt before?
Yeah.
Go on, talk to me. Tell me how different you feel.
Go to sleep,
You what, sorry?
Go to sleep.
You want to go to sleep? Yeah, don't go to sleep, mate. Alright.
Nick doesn't want to risk the lad falling unconscious, so does his best to keep him talking.
Ambulance is here now, mate, so that's absolutely fine. Alright?
Paramedics decide the lad needs his head and neck braced before stretching him off to the ambulance, where Rookie Joe gets to read him his rights.
For Joe, good job. Yeah, cracking job by Joe. He were ready for it, belt off, ready to go with this one. As soon as he went, he were off over this fence and detained him. Nice prisoner for a young officer.
The lad was treated in hospital and is on the road to recovery. Both suspects were arrested for theft of a motor vehicle, dangerous driving and fail to stop. The lad in the garden was also arrested for possession of a Class B drug. The investigation is ongoing.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I did try searching long and hard to find out what sentences they received, but I just couldn't find anything on these guys. But no need to worry, I've got another one of these awesome clips coming to you guys in a few days' time, so stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, you've been awesome, I've been legit, I'll see you in the next one.